we are installing the downpipe on the Supra. This is so exciting. So if you guys want to see how we carry a downpipe in the Supra, look at that. It's all back there. Luckily these seats fold down, but hey, I'm really excited. It's going to be a really awesome day. We got our hardware, we got our instructions. We're not doing it, but the awesome guys here at JZA Automotive are going to put it on. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here is this restrictive pipe. We only like restrictive pipes, and I don't know what you would use a restrictive pipe on, but this thing is going. And Jeff is going to add the new one. It's going to give us about 4,000 horsepower. He guaranteed that. Jeff's like, no. But no, it's going to be exciting, guys. We're going to go ahead and remove this, and we're going to get this extra horsepower. It's going to sound like a real 2JZ. We're going to be in business. Here is the Tanabe Downpipe. Tanabe makes great products. High quality. The welds are amazing. And we're going to... It's not as shiny as I'd want, but it's underneath the car, so it's not a big deal. Plus, it's going to get dirty anyways. Alright, here's the first part. It is off. Jeff beast moded it off. He was like, I'm not gonna wait till it's cold. He took it right off. But look how thin it is. It's so thin. Let's see if we can see the restrictive part in here. Oh, nope. But here's one catalytic converter. That's where the O2 sensor goes. And the other side. And this is what's gonna come on. Oh yeah. So the USDM Supra, the 2JZ-GTE, came with 2 catalytic converters in America. And look at that catalytic converter inside there. I think there's like platinum in here or something like that. And even though it's good for the environment, it's bad for performance. We are ready for Texas 2K. Those 1200 horsepower Supras ain't got nothing on us. Now we're expecting about 50 horsepower gain, but look at that. Downpipe is installed. The team here at JZA Automotive did a great job. Look how dirty the exhaust is. Yep, I've had that thing for a few years. Well guys, that is so exciting. Let's see if we get this camera to focus. Look at that. And let me show you how it looks inside here. It goes, mounts right up to the turbos up there. Can you guys see that? Boom, money shot right there. This is exciting. All right, we're gonna turn it on here in a second. Oh, that's definitely louder. Give it a little love. A little more, just one more. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Oh, Jeff killed it. Love it. All right, guys, like always, you gotta stay tuned. Driver's Therapy. We're doing big things. Now we got a little bit more power in the Supra. Stay tuned for more things, and like always, guys, see you later.